Hello, welcome to Create Reach Out. Today we'll be playing with a new collection by Diane Collaged over at Spellbinder. I had three products from this collection. I had the Hold Your Heart Sentiment Better Press Play. I had the Square Letter regular embossing folder, and I also had the 3D embossing folder Soaring. Uh, Couple example cards that I made off camera, you coordinating with large die and small die of the March 2025. This is an example of the cards that we'll be making today. The stand set is from Spellbinder. It's called Sunflower Greeting STP213. I stand my stand set into hammer mill 80-pound copper cardstock. Then I use color pencil to do some basic coloring before I start fussy cutting. After I finished coloring, I began my fussy cutting by trimming out any excess paper from my sunflower. Then I slowly trim it and by moving my paper. I started fussy cutting on camera, then I finished it off camera. You can see at the end, I end up accidentally one of the lead is off because the stem is so thin it ripped off. So just be careful when you're fussy cutting. And I end up leaving some white space on it, and then I ink blending brown to match the background, so it turned out pretty okay. I have pre-embossing and trimmed down my panel off camera. Here I'm using Distress Oxide Bandage Photo to get my background some coloring, and I also took a black brush that I had leftover black ink and just run the outside border to make the border a little bit darker than the center. To add some interest to my background, there's a couple block piece on the stand set. I just took them and stamped randomly everywhere. It's not gonna be a smooth stamp because the embossed background, but I'm okay with it. To add some interest point to my background, I took it to my spray box using my homemade shimmer spray, split the paper to give it some shimmer look, then I added distress spray stain, tarnished brass, and picket fence to give it some white and goldish spot. Once my background is dry, I glue down to my car panel, and the sentiment is from the Hold Your Heart better press plate that I have hot foil, and my car is finished. I hope my video had inspired you to create. If you need to go shopping, please use the link I have provided down in the description box at no extra cost to you, which helps support my channel. Also, let Spellbinder know I inspire you. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, and make sure you check out my other videos too.